To our top story this afternoon, as the day grows closer to farmers' proposed tractor rally on the 26th of January, farmers have sought a written permission from Delhi police on the routes for the tractor parade. As per the sources, letter which farmers have sent to the police has information on mutually agreed routes for the tractor rally. Sources claim the Delhi police has now given out a few conditions on which farmers are to revert now. This comes after farmers claimed a breakthrough in their proposed Republic Day tractor rally during fifth round of meeting with the Delhi police yesterday. The farmers had claimed the police have given a green signal for their tractor rally and a route plan has also been finalized. However, the Delhi police have contradicted the claims and said no route plan has been finalized as yet. Remember, farmers are preparing for a mega tractor parade on the occasion of Republic Day. 11 round of talks between them and the government failed to yield any result.
Kishan parade issue has been discussed with police, and we have 5 long meetings. In details, routes and everything have been worked out, and we agreed that we will organize it peacefully, and police also assured that they will give all sorts of help to organize the event in peaceful manner.
जो रूट इन्हों का बन गया है ਜਾਂ की मंजूरी देती है ਜਾਂ नहीं देती है ਉਹਦੇ बारे हमें कोई अजे बहुता मालूम नहीं है, पता लग जाएगा आज। बाकी का यही है भी दिल्ली पुलिस इजाजत दे चाहे ना दे, लाखों ट्रैक्टर आ रहे हैं, लाखों लोग आ रहे हैं। इतने बहुत वड्डी गिनती साड़ी इतने 50,000 की गिनती आई पई है, 2,000 तो वध ट्राला जो ट्रैक्टर है आया हुआ है साडा अपनी जथेबंदी का। तो असी जो ऐलान किया है उसके मुताबिक मार्च करेंगे, दिल्ली के अंदर करेंगे और रिंग रोड पर करेंगे।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us, reporting from Delhi over the very latest that is going on. Kamaljeet, what is the final plan as far as the route is concerned? There's fair amount of confusion because the farmers say that the route has been finalized, but the Delhi police is contradicting this particular claim. Where do things stand?
See, there's a press conference at around 4:30. That's when Delhi police will finally announce as to where farmers can really go. The plan has already been shared with them. Now, the farmers have been insisting that they will carry on with the 100-kilometer rally that will go in from 5 border points towards the route which is adjoining their particular area. In no ways will it really disturb the rally or the main event in Rajpath. So, in that particular sense, this seems to be much more sorted. But earlier, Delhi police had objected to the tractor rally taking place. They had requested that this plan be a day ahead or a day later than 26th. And that is not really happened. So it does seem that the farmers are having it way. What we also know is that there could be a change in timing. The main event is obviously going to be till the noon. And thereafter, since it's a shorter time, and then perhaps the farmers can carry out a rally. Something of a parallel rally is something which is being objected to. But yes, by 4:30 we will know what Delhi police is going to be telling the farmers. And it does seem the announcements here at Singhu border are constantly announcing about this particular tractor rally and saying it should be kept peaceful. The rally track itself will be on a 4-lane. And what they plan to do is, they said it will be at a very low speed of 15 to 30 kilometers. It will be coordinated and it will be peaceful. So far, so good. Remember, Delhi police does not want to have any confrontation with the farmers because it could lead to escalation of things. So at this point of time, fingers are crossed. We know there is riot police out here. There is extra boots on the ground, including the paramilitary force, and even the drones being used to monitor the farmers' tractor rally that day. So preparations being done in advance for Republic Day. But again, we will know more and clarity much more will be there at 4:30.
All right, Kamaljeet, 4:30. We'll be coming back to you to get us more updates on this and of course through the course of the day as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.